The last demand from my home insurance company was to fix the siding on my house.
Repair the foundation, obtain a 5-year roof certificate, or replace the roof and replace the cracked siding.
The tricky part is that this siding is made of asbestos, and I'll be trying to match up some Hardy Plank cement fiberboard to fill in these gaps that are missing. Let's see how it goes. Here's the Hardy Plank cement fiberboard I was able to find at the hardware store that best matches the vertical pattern of my current siding. So what I'm hoping to do is cut out pieces of this and match it up with the missing parts of my siding. So I want it to come all the way out to the edge here. And I'm gonna try and do a rubbing to see where it goes. So now I have the shape that I need to cut out, and I'll actually need this little bottom part too. There we go. And that'll be close enough. So I got this fiber cement / plaster blade for the jigsaw. Woo, way off down there. The person at the hardware store recommended this Loctite PL glue. All right, this glue takes 24 hours to set, so we'll leave this like that for a day and let's see how it comes out. Here we go, it's 24 hours later. That seems pretty darn solid. Now we'll make this little piece. All right, 24 hours for that one. All right, that looks so much better. Here you can see I used some bricks and shims to support this piece of siding because it's too big to be supported by glue and tape. While I was at it, I thought I would repair other little breaks in the siding as well. It doesn't look the best, but once I paint it blue, I won't even care. I kind of like the look of that. And of course, the siding that she took a picture of that she wanted repaired is up on the roof of my house. I really don't like this. After a few uncomfortable trips in and out of my attic window, I was able to patch up the damage to the siding up here as well. So now I'm just taking a picture to send it to the insurance agent. All right. And hopefully this will be the last thing I have to do with this letter of demands from my insurance company. I wish I made this ledge a little bit wider. Hopefully that's my last time out there until I have to paint. So I emailed in that photo of my siding to make sure I had everything done and got a vague reply back saying that they had filed that away. And so I asked for more clarity, asking, have I in fact complied with your letter of demands? And in response, I got a reply saying, I believe you have done everything we have asked for. That's still a little vague for my preference, so I'll probably follow up and ask for an official letter stating that I have in fact complied with their demands, because I don't want to be surprised in January if they come around and say, well, Mr. Villa, you still haven't fixed your siding properly. Overall, this cost nearly $1,000 to comply with my insurance company's demands. It was only $10 to fix the crack in my foundation. It cost $825 to get a 5-year roof certificate, and I spent about $36 in supplies to fix my siding. The silver lining with my siding is that I've wanted to paint my house for years, and now it's ready to do that. So if you ever get a letter full of demands from your home insurance company, I hope this video has been some help to you. I think the biggest lesson I learned is that if you're talking to your insurance company about something that's happening in your house, make sure you're specifying that it is just a question you're asking and that you're not filing a claim. As I've seen, even if you have a claim on your record for $0, that can affect your ability to switch to another insurance company. So that's it for me. I'm so relieved to be done with this letter of demands from my insurance company, and now I can simply forget about it. Hey, I'm Dan, and my mom and I bought some land out in the countryside to build a house. And to help with that, we thought we should have a trailer. So why not renovate a 1949 Spartan Manor? So if you want to see how these go, plus some other random DIY stuff, subscribe and follow along.